Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into Chapter 2, Diversity in the Living World. But before we start, let us reflect on a beautiful Sanskrit verse, Chamanyanya Kavante, Tiha entis svayam tape, Phalantia pipa ruth, ye viga sadparabiva. This translates to, trees stand in the sun and give shade to others. Their fruits are also for others. Likewise, good people bear all hardships and bring welfare to others. What a profound thought! It teaches us the value of selflessness, just like the nature we are about to explore. Now, let's set the scene. Imagine a pleasant morning, the air fresh after yesterday's rain. At a local school, the science teacher, Madam Suleha, has invited special guests for an exciting nature walk. Let me introduce you to Dr. Raghu, a scientist from a nearby research lab, and Manaram Chacha, a wise elder from the community. Manaram Chacha is a true nature expert. He's brilliant at identifying plants and animals and has a special talent. He can mimic bird calls perfectly. The students are buzzing with excitement, ready for their adventure. To prepare them, Dr. Raghu explains the goal of their walk, to truly experience the incredible beauty and variety of life in nature. He wants them to see, hear, and feel the diversity around them. The students, eager to learn, grab their notebooks, pens, and water bottles, just as their teacher advised. They can't wait to get started. As they step out into the school grounds, the nature walk officially begins. The group starts exploring the plants and animals all around them. Dr. Raghu encourages the students to use all their senses. Notice the different smells in the park, he says. From the damp earth to the fragrant flowers, he also reminds them of a very important rule. Respect all living creatures and observe them without disturbing their natural home. We're guests in their world, after all. Meanwhile, Manaram Chacha adds another layer to their exploration. Don't just look, he advises with a smile, but listen carefully to the different sounds of nature. And what a world of sounds it is. The students start noticing everything. They see tiny blades of grass, vibrant bushes, and huge towering trees. Their eyes follow colorful butterflies fluttering from one flower to the next, and they watch playful monkeys leaping effortlessly between branches. High up on those branches, they spot a variety of birds. Every new discovery is carefully jotted down in their notebooks. Suddenly, the air is filled with the cheerful chirping of birds. Dr. Raghu points this out. Listen closely, he says. Each bird has its own unique song. This is a perfect example of diversity in nature. Every species has its own way of communicating, its own special call. This gets the students even more curious. They are beginning to understand that diversity isn't just about what you can see, but also about what you can hear. Seeing their interest, Dr. Raghu turns to Manaram Chacha with a request. Chacha, would you be kind enough to mimic the calls of some birds for the students? Manaram Chacha happily agrees. He cups his hands and produces a perfect cuckoo call. The students are amazed. Then he mimics the sharp call of a mina, followed by the melodious whistle of a bulbul. It's like having a conversation with the birds themselves. The students, filled with enthusiasm, start trying to copy him. Coco, Cocotte. They try, laughing as they attempt to match his skill. It's a fun and incredible moment. Realizing just how unique every single bird's chirp truly is. Dr. Raghu then guides the students towards a large banyan tree. He asks them to observe it carefully. What do you see that's different about this tree compared to, say, a mango tree? One student points to the long, hanging roots. These look like ropes coming down from the branches. She exclaims, Dr. Raghu explains that these are called prop roots. They grow down from the branches, anchor themselves in the soil, and provide extra support to the massive tree. This is another fantastic example of diversity in the plant kingdom. Different plants have developed unique features to survive and thrive. As they continue their walk, they come across a small pond shimmering in the morning sun. Dragonflies with iridescent wings zip across the water's surface. Maniram Chacha quietly points towards the edge of the pond. There, half hidden among the reeds, is a frog. The students watch, mesmerized. As it inflates its throat sac to let out a loud ribbit, Dr. Raghu explains that frogs are amphibians, meaning they can live both on land and in water. Their smooth, moist skin helps them breathe. In contrast, a lizard they saw earlier on a rock has dry, scaly skin and lives entirely on land. These differences in skin, breathing, and habitat all contribute to the rich tapestry of animal diversity. The students are learning so much, they realize that diversity isn't just a word in a textbook. It's all around them. It's in the different shapes of leaves, the various colors of flowers, the unique calls of birds, and the different ways animals have adapted to their environments. Every plant and every animal has its own special place and role in the ecosystem. This walk has opened their eyes to the wonders of the natural world in a way a classroom lecture never could. As the nature walk comes to an end, the students gather around Dr. Raghu and Maniram Chacha, their notebooks filled with sketches and notes. They are full of questions and excited chatter. They thank their special guests for such an enlightening and fun experience. Madam Sulika smiles, pleased to see her students so engaged and inspired. She reminds them that what they've learned today is just the beginning. The world is full of amazing diversity waiting to be discovered. So, what can we take away from this story? Diversity is everywhere. From the smallest insect to the largest tree, every living thing is unique and plays a vital role. By observing nature closely and with respect, we can learn so much about the world we live in. Next time you go for a walk, try to be like the students. Use all your senses. Look, listen, and notice the incredible variety of life around you. Thank you so much for joining us on this virtual nature walk today. We hope you enjoyed it and feel inspired to explore the diversity in your own neighborhood. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.